Good morning to all of you students. Welcome to EduCourse Tutorials. So in the previous lecture we have discussed about the finite and infinite sets. Okay, and we have also discussed about the set builder form and roster form. Okay, now we are going to discuss about the empty sets. So which sets are said to be empty sets? A set in which no element exist is known as empty set, and empty set can be denoted by phi or making these braces. Okay, so if no element exist in a set, then this set will said to be empty set. Now in this question, given that set A in which x belongs to n and 2x plus 5 is equal to 6. So here given that x belongs to n, if I say the smallest natural number is 1, and if I put 1 here in the place of x, then it will give 2 plus 5 is equal to 7, which is not equal to 6. And if I put here 2, it will give 2 into 2 4 plus 5 is equal to 9, which is greater than 6. So in this case there is no element exist in set A in which 2x plus 5 is equal to 6. So we can say that x is an empty set. Okay, in case second, or A is equal to 5. Okay, B in which x such that x belongs to n and x is greater than 1 and less than or equal to 2. So in this set the element 2 is exist. Okay, there is one element in the set which is 2. Okay, so this is not an empty set. Again in 3, x is a prime number in which x is greater than 90 and less than 96. So from 90 to 96 there are the number 91, 92, 93, 94 and 95. Okay, which can exist. So 92 and 94 are even numbers, 93 is divisible by 3, 95 is divisible by 5 and 91 is divisible by 7 and 13. Okay, because we know 13 7 ja 91. Okay, so all these numbers are divisible by any other numbers. So in this set there is no element found which is prime and exist between 90 and 96. So this set C is an empty set. Now in set D, x belongs to n and x square plus 4 is equal to 0. Again we can see that x square plus 4 is equal to 0 and x is belonging to n, and we know smallest natural number is 1. If I put up here 1, it will give 5, which is not equal to 0. Okay, so in natural number there is no any element in this set, there is no element exist which is natural number and which satisfy the equation x square plus 4 is equal to 0. So we can say that this is an empty set. Okay, so this is an empty set. Now in question E, it is given that x such that x is an even prime number. So it is given that x is an even prime number. So even prime number there is exist which is 2. So 2 is the element of set A. So this is not an empty set. In F, here given that x such that x belongs to W. W means whole number. X plus 3 is less than 3. So the smallest whole number is 0. If I put up here 0 plus 3, so it will give me 3, which is in this condition any whole number will not satisfy this condition. Okay, so I can simply say that the set F is an also empty set. Okay, now in G, x such that x belongs to Q. Q is an rational number which can be written in P by Q form. So it is given that x is greater than 1 and less than 2. So if I say there can be infinite number which can exist in the set, for example 1 by 2, 1 by 2, 3 by 4, sorry, 1 whole 1 by 2, okay. So 1 whole 3 by 4, there are too many numbers which are rational and can exist between two whole numbers, okay. So this set will an infinite set, so this is not an empty set. So we can simply write it here as this is not, G is not an empty set. In H it is given that set, in set H it is given that 0, okay. So 0 here is not indicating that it is an empty set. 0 is the element of set H, or we can say that 0 belongs to H, okay. So if 0 belongs to H or 0 is the element of set H, then we can simply say that it is not an empty set. So H is not an empty set, okay. I hope it will clear to you that you can identify now which sets are empty and which are not empty sets, okay. So if this video is helpful to you, then like, share and subscribe. Thanks to all of you. Have